Hi, welcome to our series of lesson ideas for music educators. Learn how to make the most out of flat 4 education to create engaging lessons. In this video, we'll discuss the Kodály Method. If you haven't tried flat 4 education yet, what are you waiting for? Unlock your education superpower by signing up now and get a 3-month free trial. The goal of Kodály Method is to give students a first-hand connection to music and never make it feel like a dry academic exercise. In this video, we'll show you a few simple exercises you can do with your students while using the Kodály Method. Get familiar with the notations. Like any new notation, it is important to get students familiar with the different letters and hand signs. In order to do that, a lot of practice will be needed. We've seen that teachers like to alternate between letter notations and hand signs. Create a score template of the piece you want your students to practice. First, pick something easy. Create 2 versions, one with the hand signs and another one with the letter notes. You'll soon enough see how your students react and what method they enjoy the most. Discuss this technique with your students. Rhythm counting Ta-Ti-Ti. Ta-Ti-Ti is a common rhythm syllable system used by Kodály-inspired teachers. This system replaces the name of the rhythmic values with syllables that make them easier to be performed and internalized. Create a score template with the exercise you like to perform. Write the rhythm or have your students do it as a practice. Count the rhythms with your students by tapping your foot in time as you count the rhythm. This is all for now. Do you have any other fun assignment ideas you'd like to share with us? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye!